What is the name of the creator of the universe? Does he even have a name? Does he want us to know it? Is it even important that we do? If you had a name, wouldn't you want others to call you by it and not by another? There have been many names and titles assigned to the divine creator, some of which are scripturally founded, others, not so much. Who would know their own name better than the one to whom it belongs? So it's to him that we turn to learn exactly what his name is. Exodus 3:15. And God said moreover unto Moses, Thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, The Lord God of your fathers, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob, hath sent me unto you. This is my name forever, and this is my memorial unto all generations. KJV. So is his name the Lord? Is that what he really said? Psalm 68:4. Sing unto God, sing praises to his name. Extol him that rideth upon the heavens by his name, Jah, and rejoice before him. So which is it? The Lord or Jah? What if I told you that it was neither? Better yet, what if he told you? Once again, Exodus 3:15 in the Cepher. And Elohim said moreover unto Moshe, Thus shall you say unto the children of Yisrael, Yahuah Elohim of your fathers, the Elohim of Abraham, the Elohim of Ishak, and the Elohim of Yaakov has sent me unto you. This is my name forever, and this is my mention unto all generations. Back to Psalm 68:4. Sing unto Elohim, sing praises to his name, extol him that rides upon the heavens by his name, Yah, and rejoice before him. Once again in the Cepher. Although it's necessary for peoples of different languages to have the word of the Most High translated and transliterated into their native tongue, names are unique identifiers that don't require the same. And across time and language, a person's name does not need to be changed to be understood. More importantly, the Creator's name is to be set apart. Kodesh. Psalm 99:3 reads, They praise your name, great and awesome, it is set apart. So what liberty does man have to do what they will with that which has been set apart? The words of the author of the set apart scriptures are not to be changed. So have they been? Names have meanings. His name has a meaning, a specific one. Exodus 3:14. And Elohim said to Moshe, I am that which I am. And he said, Thus you shall say to the children of Israel, I am has sent me to you. His name means the one that is, he who never came into being but simply existed. So we ask, does Lord mean this? Let's look at the definition according to the Strong's Concordance. The word Lord is from an unused root meaning to rule or sovereign, that is, controller, human or divine, Lord, master, or owner. And though we clearly acknowledge that he is all those things, the definition of the word Lord is not the same thing. So we look in our scriptures and we see that the word Lord is capitalized. Does capitalizing a word change its meaning? Has it ever changed its meaning? In most of the English translations, the translators capitalize the word Lord to indicate that it's not to be understood as it's defined, but rather to be understood as the name of the Most High. What sense does that make? Why not just put his name there as it was given? Think about the history of language and all of humanity for all of time. Has capitalizing a word ever changed its meaning? Translation nor transliteration can be credited as to how this change came about. Only substitution can. So what is his name? We turn to his word and the original tongue in which his name was given by him. And it's spelled with the first letter being a yod or yod. That makes the y sound, like the Y in our language. Then next is the he, which makes the h or the sound, like the back of the throat sound. Then you have the wah, which makes the w sound like a W, or O sound, or oo sound. And then lastly, you have another he, which again is the h or the sound. How do we pronounce his name? One thing is for certain, it is not Lord. Some say the pronunciation has been lost, but what about what the Most High himself has said? Again, back to Exodus 3:15. This is my name forever, and this is my mention unto all generations. Malachi 1:11 puts it this way. For from the rising of the sun, even unto the going down of the same, my name shall be great among the other nations. And in every place incense shall be offered unto my name, and a pure offering. For my name shall be great among the heathen, said Yahuah Sabaoth. That's the Cepher. Proverbs 36 says this. Add not unto his words, lest he reprove you, and you be found a liar. If he alone has preserved his word, how did his name, which is included in his word, become lost? Isaiah 48. The grass withers, the flower fades, but the word of our Elohim shall stand forever. The answer is, it did not. So again, what is his name? Well, going back to Psalm 68:4, it gives us the shortened version of his name, Yah. But what about his name in full? We can look to the name of the prophets, because in the prophets we find the first three letters of the Most High's name, Yod, He, and Wah, and how they were pronounced. Isaiah's real name is Yeshayahu. Jeremiah's real name is Yirmeyahu. Obadiah's real name is Obadiahu or Obadiah. Zephaniah's real name is Zephaniahu or Zephaniah. Zechariah's real name is Zechariahu or Zechariah. So did you see it? Better yet, did you hear it? The Yod, He, and Wah combined in the same order as the first three letters of the Most High's name are pronounced Yahu. We simply need to add the last letter, which is another He. And following modern Hebrew rules, many other names have been assigned. But following the scriptures in the original tongue in which his name was given, we see but one name, Yahuah. His name is Yahuah. Men may have forgotten it, changed it, lost it, but he has not. And he has and will continue to reveal his set-apart name and character to all who seek to know him in sincerity and truth. All praise to the Most High, Yahuah.